I'm so excited to share this recipe with you. It's a unique, hearty dish that's sure to impress friends, family, or dinner guests. I love how soft bread, richly flavored eggs, and juicy chicken come together in this one amazing creation. Let me walk you through every step as I cook it right now. Then I take each loaf of bread and gently slice off the top. I carefully remove most of the soft inside, creating a hollow basket that will hold all the tasty fillings later on. I set these hollowed loaves aside on a baking tray so I can fill them once everything else is ready. Now, I cut my fresh chicken fillet into small bite-sized pieces and sprinkle them with salt, dried herbs, and paprika. Next, I slice the mushrooms nice and thin, then grate a block of mozzarella on a coarse grater, creating those long, beautiful shreds of cheese. Finally, I finely chop a handful of parsley. Having everything prepared and organised makes the next step so much easier. I warm up a skillet on the stovetop and add a pat of butter, letting it melt until it starts to sizzle. Then I drop in my seasoned chicken pieces and stir them around, making sure they all get that lovely golden brown colour. When the chicken is cooked through, I move it onto a plate. In the same pan, I add the sliced mushrooms, letting them soak up all that savoury goodness left from the chicken. I sauté them until they're a beautiful golden colour, and their appetising aroma fills the kitchen. Once they're done, I set them aside with the rest of my ingredients. It's finally time to build these mouth-watering bread bowls. I gently crack 8 eggs into each hollowed loaf, being careful to distribute them evenly. In one loaf, I add the golden brown chicken. Then I grab my grated mozzarella and sprinkle it on top of both loaves, imagining how perfectly it's going to melt and turn golden in the oven. the other, I add the sautéed mushrooms and the fresh chopped parsley. Then I grab my grated mozzarella and sprinkle it on top of both loaves, imagining how perfectly it's going to melt and turn golden in the oven. My oven is already preheating to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius. Once it's nice and hot, I carefully place both filled loaves on a baking sheet and slide them onto the center rack. They need about 40 to 45 minutes to bake, just until the eggs set to my liking and the cheese turns bubbly and golden brown on top. Once the timer goes off, I take the loaves out and give them a moment to cool slightly. The smell is absolutely irresistible. The bread is soft, the eggs are cooked through, the chicken is juicy, and the mushrooms are tender. Plus, that golden, cheesy crust on top is pure heaven. All that's left is to bring it to the table. This dish is surprisingly simple to make, incredibly filling, and packed with flavor. If you're looking for a way to wow your guests, this is it. Trust me, you'll fall in love with every scrumptious bite.